When you have finished designing your project, you will want to do one of two things. 1. Export it as a cutting file, or 2. Save it as a project so you can come back to it later on and continue editing. The process for these is different, so I will show you both. And just so you are aware, I have switched over to my regular Canvas Workspace account, so you may see some additional things on screen like the Premium Functions tab, a few extra pattern libraries, and the icons that confirm I have registered some accessories. I will be covering these off in later lectures where we talk about these accessories, but for now this video will focus on getting your design saved or exported. First up, let's take a look at saving it. To do this, I would go up to this icon here, which says Overwrite this project. Click on it, and your project will be saved. If I've made changes to a project and I want to save it out with a different file name, I would go up here, change the file name, and then from the project menu, choose this icon here, which is Save as another project. And the message pops up to confirm that that's been done. If you want to double check that they have both been saved, go into your My Projects folder and they will be the top icons or icon there. If they're not showing up, you can click on the refresh icon and they should then show up. Now, if we want to export this as a cutting file, we need to go to this big button here that says Download. Click on it, and then you will be presented with options depending on what you have set up. If you want to download it to your computer or to a USB thumb drive, go up to this icon and click on it. That will then give you your navigation file browser, and you can navigate to the place where you want to save the file. If you have Wi-Fi available on your machine and you have registered your machine in the Canvas Workspace account, you can go to Scan and Cut Transfer. Click on it and this will transfer your file into the cloud, ready to retrieve on your machine.